Hi, I'm meteorologist Ross Woodley. Our radar and satellite is clear out there after a warm and humid day again today. We are starting to see some ground clutter show up on radar. You can see it here with all of the green showing up. That's really just moisture coming out of the ground that's reflecting back on the radar. There's probably an inversion in the atmosphere. A lot of nerd talk there for there's nothing going on the radar, just some glitches. 63 degrees overnight tonight, clear skies and no real chance of rain. With no rain in the area, the wind out of the northeast at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Now, as we go throughout the rest of this weekend to the weekend, mostly sunny and very warm. And then as we get into Saturday, late in the day Saturday, probably the evening hours, we start to see some showers working in along the cold front ahead of Nate. And then as we go into Sunday, let me bring that back up. As we go into Sunday, heavy rain, strong winds, and at this point in time, looks like it will be Hurricane Nate. The winds could be locally damaging, but right now I'm most concerned with the rainfall as opposed to the wind because we just don't know until we see how strong Nate makes it. Looks like a low end category 1 at this point in time. Dry and warm for the day tomorrow. High pressure system in control, sinking air, not allowing for any storm activity to develop, but all eyes on Nate. Tropical storm Nate still over Nicaragua at this point, and you can see that this is really disorganized and there's not a whole lot of rotation here. It doesn't look good on satellite, but as it goes over the warmer waters in the Caribbean here, expected to strengthen. And really the time period here where it's going to strengthen the most is Saturday morning going into Saturday afternoon. And that is the time period in which we'll know exactly how strong this thing is going to be when it moves into our area. And you can see that the cone of uncertainty, the center line, is moving directly over the top of us. So we're forecasted to take direct impacts from this storm, however strong it may be. And right now I say the rain is the majority of my concern because we just don't know how strong this thing is going to be. And right now it doesn't look like it's going to be that big of a deal with wind, but a hurricane is a hurricane. 3 to 5 inches of rain nonetheless with the cold front moving in and the system going over the top of us. So that is a concern, and you can see the gradient all the way across. If we get a big shift to the west or a big shift to the east, then we can move out of this heavier rain, but right now we are right in the bullseye for that heavier rain. Our forecast lows out there tonight right around 63 to 64 degrees, clear skies, winds out of the northeast 5 to 10 miles an hour. Another warm day tomorrow, near 90 once again. And our extended forecast looking at the rain and wind as we move into Sunday timeline. Saturday afternoon, Sunday's probably a wash, and if we do have hurricane strength at that point in time, we'll be looking at those winds Sunday, and then storms lingering as we go into Monday, then much better weather as we move into the middle part of next week.